Malaysia has about 15,000 plants. However, they are not really being conserved and fully utilized. So the role of National Gene Bank is to keep and to conserve these genetic materials and to do a lot more in terms of utilizations.
The general goal for Lebanon is to collect wild relatives of 10 crops. So I am collecting from the wild. I am ensuring the conservation and the availability for use in pre-breeding and breeding programs, especially in the context of adapting agriculture for climate change.
The Crop Wild Relative Project is a major global effort to collect, protect, and utilize crop wild relatives. It supports national programs in their efforts to better collect and conserve crop wild relative seeds. And the project oversees pre-breeding efforts on 19 crops in many parts of the world. Breeders can use these plants to make our food production systems more resilient, finding traits that will adapt our domesticated crops to present and future challenges.
We can see now the occurrence of diseases. In terms of banana, for instance, Moko disease. The wild types of bananas contains the genes that can tackle diseases related to banana. We have conserved some of the wild types at our gene bank.
Collecting crop wild relatives is not easy at all, and our partners are fully aware of that. And their experiences in the field are helping us all to improve the way we collect these wild relatives.
For collecting, the challenges in Lebanon is that some areas are subject to security level, so we cannot access all the areas, especially the northeast region of the country. And this region is especially threatened by climate change and drought, so this region should be collected, and the access to this region is unsafe.
One of the key components of the Crop Wild Relative Project is the capacity building that we undertake. And this can take the form of either individuals from those countries coming here to the Millennium Seed Bank at Kew to undertake training, or else we can bring regional partners together to participate in training, and we'll go out and work with them to improve their capacity in country. Seed collecting started in 2013. Some countries have already finished, including Italy, Cyprus, Georgia and Vietnam. And so far we've collected 168 taxa from 18 countries, and that amounts to 5.7 million seeds, and allowing us all to share these important genetic resources with the rest of the world.
For Malaysia, we're hoping, because of the issues of hunger, food security, malnutrition, climate change, so Malaysia can contribute in terms of getting potential crops that can be developed for the future, because we have vast genetic resources in our country, in our forests. This is time for Malaysia to share. So we're really glad to have full support from Kew Gardens, from Crop Trust, and this project brings us together with other experts from other countries.
Everyone around the globe stands to benefit from this, today and in the future.